Hello, YouTuber. Berlin 2006 here. Been a while. The speaker project didn't go too well, so the amplifier project didn't go too well. There's some wire issues I need to sort out because of the information problem. And I need to find out what's going on with the auto electrician and which one to go. So that need to be abandoned for a little moment. And now, welcome back to the channel. I thought I'd put load something up before you guys did abandon me. So, so I actually what I have done here, I have replaced the door with a proper factory leather lining, and yeah, so to make and also the new plates. So yeah, so now I need to put my old decoration back, which is the this chrome extension for the door pull, and that and the carbon fiber finisher on the door pull here, so to cover the imperfection. So yeah, now but I won't get into that because but I'll just do something simple today, so to keep you guys in tune. So it won't halfway through the video. All right, okay, done. Got sick of it. Watch something else. So now what I did today, I'm just demonstrate how to apply this automotive adhesive, or some call it a glue. It's actually this adhesive type from 3M. I bought it through eBay with the actual aftermarket 3M dealer that's actually sell this type. So these are genuine 3M type, and so they are the proper stuff to use. And also you need some before we go any further, you also need a bottle of this primer. Actually, they call it the adhesive promoter. What it does is just prime the surface, prime the plastic or metal surface, or whatever, or paint the surface, so it primes it, so to promote the adhesion of the 3M automotive type, or automotive body glue, or whatever you call it. So without further ado, we have to apply this first. So I bought a bottle like this. It's got to come with a little applicator. So the idea of it of this is to just put it somewhere. One of these days, I'm going to buy one of those or phone holder, or even better still, get a proper camera instead of just using a phone to do this whole video. So basically, now we'll just I'll put it here. I'll put it here. Now, just apply to the surface that you need to where the glue is supposed or adhesive is supposed to go. You can overrun a little bit, but the problem is, if you overrun it, it was going to show to the good surface, which is not going to be nice. So yeah, just apply it on. So don't be shy. You need to fair bit to paint it on. Make sure that all the adhesive area has been painted on, and then put it back and close it. I learned this the hard way, and I knocked it over and knocked off the whole bottle of these onto some the interior. That was not good. So that basically is, yeah, it takes about a minute or two to dry. So, so as you can, I'm not sure whether you can see it through. See, there's a glittery bit there. That's where the adhesive promoter has been painted on. Now, while I'm waiting for that to cure or dry, I'm going to use one of these trusty old Phillips head screwdriver to pull the lid of the. This is I've done prior. It's actually this type comes in a roll, and this is the thinnest one I can buy. But it will all, because this is a sort of a odd shape design. As you can see, I have cut a little bit off there because the tape itself is actually too wide for the part. So I just use the scissors to cut to size. So basically, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lift. The way to apply it is to do it slowly. So it needs to be applied pressure bit by bit. So I'm not sure whether I have done a video for this before, but I'll do it. I'll explain it anyway. Basically, what you need to do is you need to peel off the backing of the tape bit by bit. So if you, yeah. So what you need to do is, yeah, the backing of the tape is very hard to remove. So I use a trusty old screwdriver here to help me out, not like this, to help me out to just to lift the backing from the adhesive up from the backing from the adhesive, which I have not done. I'll try it again. Actually, if you excuse me for a second, I just put down the camera for a second. I just need to see if I can do it. One hand, which I doubt it. No, I actually lift the whole tape. Okay, stick it on a bit, a little bit more, or I'll try the other way. Basically, you just need to lift the backing of the tape, which is the plastic bit, with a sharp tool. In this case, this is my choice. Now there you go. I'll lift it up a little bit. Bugs. It's spring in Australia at the moment, and bugs are growing. I hate those things, especially mosquitoes. I hate mosquitoes. Now, as you can see, I lift a little bit here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just peel this much off. Just peel this much off for now, and just leave it there. And I try to lift the other bit. Doing things with one hand. This is going to be fun. So what usually is you need to lift the both ends up, the adhesive backing up, and I'll show you why in a minute. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. Come on, get off, get off, get off, get off. Come on. I got it, but just need that smidgen. Ah, you're so stubborn. Come on.
got it. Now, as you can see, I lift the other bit off. So again, just peel off part of it like that. Not so much, about this much. So I'll explain why in a minute. So what we need to do is I'm going to actually peel a little bit more because I'm going to need to apply pressure on it. Because once it goes in, you need to apply pressure on it. So, okay. So I pull out a little bit. The reason, yeah, and also I'm quite scared as well because these type do snap off under pressure, under stress. So now it's I'm pretty sure it's over a minute now. So what I need to do now is to press that over, place. Oh well, line that up. You have a bit of chance to line up the thing anyway. So what I do is see where my 2 finger is. I'm applying pressure on it. So you apply the pressure for about 30 seconds. See, the other side will still move, and while that one still sits in. So I'm applying pressure on it about probably at least 30 seconds, but yeah, at least 30 seconds. If you leave it on a little bit longer, it's also okay as well. Oh yeah, by the way, before you do this, because the weather is pretty warmish at the moment, so I don't need to actually heat up the tape. So it's actually a good idea for you to use a bit of a a blower or hair dryer to heat it up a little bit first before you do the job. So now what you need to do is, this is actually a 2-hand job. Let's see if I can. So what you need to do is while on the pressure, while you're pressing it, you need to pull the tape off as you go. Bit by bit. So don't pull too much, and then apply pressure on the newly peeled off bit. So you do it section by section. Like that. So on, so on, so on. So as you feel it now, it's sort of I can feel it's actually gluing already. So I'm going to start on the other side. So what I do is I be a bit bold. I'm going to go all the way down. Because I cut that bit there. I'll show you in a minute. So the whole adhesive type will actually fit around the curling edge of the silver the chrome plate. So as you can see, I'm working bit by bit there, applying pressure on, and then keep going. Okay, a little bit more. Apply pressure on. Probably about 30 seconds. If you're impatient, you can do 20 seconds, but won't guarantee. Well, the longer the better. So be patient. 30 seconds good. Now what I do now is I'm going to work on both sides bit by bit by bit. Oh, too much. So I'm going to, on both sides, I'm going to stop there, and then I'll work on the corner bit by bit. And then let's go on the other side. Push in. Thank you for sticking around with me. I know it's a bit bored without any sound. So what I do, I'm going to be bold. I'm going to work around this section here. But start pulling here. Oh, this doesn't feel good. Feeling, trying to, snap off. There's a bit trying to snap out. Oh, that's okay. All right, so cool. Pressure on again. Now, if you have a look at it, see the backing tape, there's a bit of I have to cut there and there and there and there. See there's a notch there that I cut, so the tape can stick around the bin there, this section. So that's why when I'm pulling the tape off, I'm very nervous about this area, because this will intend to snap off. So what I do is I'm going to leave that section, well, I keep pulling it down. It feels good at the moment, so I'm going to stick some more, put some pressure on. I'm going to work it really, really slow and gentle while I'm pulling the tape off. Because there's another a couple of cuts around this corner, so I'm going to pull out gently, gentle as I go. First cut, I can feel there's notch there. There's notch. Oh no! See what I mean? Snapped off. So now I have to work from this end now. So. I have to work from this end now, so I have to pull out gently, gentle. Yeah, there's a cut there. Come on, you can do it. Got it. Now, quickly apply some more pressure. Uh, 30 seconds yet. Maybe not. But it's already, I can feel it. You see, it's not moving now. So it's got a very, very good grip on it already. So for the time being, if you're gluing things like a external spoiler, you probably wise not to take the car out in the rain or go to the car wash, because these glues need to at least 48 hours to cure or to fully set. But once it says see, now it's all done. Once it's done, just let it go, and it's all good. So that's a quick tutorial about how to use these 3M adhesive tape. So I hope this information has been helpful to you, and later on when I get sorted out with the sound, the audio bit. We'll keep you guys up to date. And for the time being, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. And world peace. Take care out there. See you next video. Goodbye. Ta-da.